So on Friday, July 25th, 2025, I got to ride with Trooper Stein. Bro picked me up at my house, W Mans. And like as soon as we entered the car, we hear on the radio from Steuben County that what is that? Oh yeah, they called Signal 10 in Steuben County, and I was like, as soon as I entered the car, but I live like probably like 40 minutes from Steuben County, so we weren't responding to that. But they're like saying like they might they tased somebody or something, and then like he went unconscious. It was a whole mess, but I wasn't involved in that. But yeah, we got some gas first. After that, we drove to Huntington. And our first stop was we stopped the car with no license plate. I think it was from he's from like Missouri or something, and I don't know what the whole situation was, but gave him a warning though. And then it started to rain. This is like the second time this happened or whatever. It started pouring, and then once it stopped raining, we have a speeding ticket. Somebody was doing an 82 and a 60. Dang. And then we have somebody driving without a license. We gave him a ticket. I think yeah, she was like on an ID card, and she's like, oh, this is my first time driving in like a couple of years or something, or a long period of time. So that was pretty funny. And then gave another speeding warning. Someone doing 73 and a 60. And then, oh yeah, that was that same girl who didn't have license plates, didn't also have a secret on. So that was a whole mess in itself. And then we also got this call. We were in somebody like ran away from a stop. Like somebody got stopped in Huntington, and then the guy in the passenger seat like booked it. To like he just ran away from the traffic stops, and we had his manhunt. But everybody was like not in this county. Like I think this was like at the border of Wells and Huntington, and everybody was in Huntington, so we weren't gonna get the perimeter in time. But when we got the perimeter, the guy wasn't there. We had brought the canine out. The canine guy was on vacation, but he came back out just to whatever. He likes to bring his dog out, so we were out there for a grip. I actually got to walk out. Maybe we can catch him or not. Everyone had their guns out, but I was a little bit nervous after that. Before that, but yeah, we didn't catch the guy. Tough. I mean, like we didn't really. It took us like 10 minutes to get that perimeter done, so that guy could have been long gone. He could have been hauling. Also, like he was with the girlfriend is the one who was driving, and pulled over. And the guy ran out the car, and then the girlfriend tried to go pick him up so they can run or whatever. We stopped the girl in time before that could happen. But yeah, that was kind of that was fun, cool little mess. And that was the day.